Did you know that a single piece of ginger could be the missing key to both weight loss and inflammation relief? Ginger isn't just a spice you toss into tea or stir-fries. It's been called the miracle root for centuries. From boosting your metabolism to calming painful inflammation in your joints, ginger has powers that modern science is only just beginning to confirm. But here's the thing. Most people eat ginger the wrong way and then complain that it doesn't work. The secret lies in knowing the right form, the right time, and the right combinations. Today, I'll reveal exactly how to eat ginger for maximum weight loss and inflammation relief. Step by step, we'll cover the science, the traditional wisdom, the practical recipes, and the mistakes to avoid. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a special ginger recipe that has helped countless people melt belly fat and ease inflammation naturally. Let's dive right in. Segment 1. Ginger's ancient legacy. For thousands of years, ginger has been at the heart of natural medicine. In Ayurveda, ginger is known as the universal medicine. It's believed to stoke digestive fire and balance the body's energy. In traditional Chinese medicine, ginger is used to warm the body, improve circulation, and dissolve toxins. Even in ancient Greece and Rome, ginger was prescribed for digestion, respiratory issues, and overall vitality. Today, researchers have confirmed what our ancestors already knew. Ginger contains over 100 bioactive compounds, the most powerful of which is gingerol. This is the compound that gives ginger its fiery taste, but more importantly, it's responsible for anti-inflammatory, fat-burning, and metabolism-boosting effects. But before you rush to start chewing ginger raw, hold on. The real magic happens when you eat it the right way. Segment 2. Why ginger works for weight loss. So, how exactly does ginger help you lose weight? Let's break it down. Boosts thermogenesis. Ginger heats up your body from within, increasing calorie burn. A 2012 study in Metabolism journal found that people who drank ginger tea burned more calories and reported reduced hunger. Improves digestion. Ginger stimulates digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food faster and absorb nutrients better. This reduces the chance of excess calories being stored as fat. Controls appetite. Ever notice how ginger has a strong flavor that lingers? It naturally reduces cravings and prevents overeating. Regulates blood sugar. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings and less fat storage. Ginger helps balance insulin response, which is key for belly fat. The bottom line? Ginger doesn't just burn calories. It also controls the triggers that make you gain weight in the first place. But again, the trick lies in eating it correctly. Segment 3. Why ginger works for inflammation relief. Inflammation is at the root of many health problems. Joint pain, arthritis, bloating, even skin issues. Ginger is nature's anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Gingerol blocks inflammatory pathways in the body, working almost like ibuprofen but without side effects. It reduces swelling, stiffness, and pain in joints, especially for people with arthritis. It improves circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach inflamed areas faster. One 2015 study published in Arthritis and Rheumatology found that daily ginger supplementation reduced knee pain in osteoarthritis patients by up to 40%. So, whether your goal is to slim down or soothe chronic pain, ginger has your back. But now let's get into the juicy part: how to eat it the right way. Segment 4. The wrong ways people eat ginger. Before we learn the right methods, let's quickly clear up the mistakes most people make. Cooking it too much. High heat destroys gingerol, the compound responsible for its healing benefits. That's why ginger in baked cookies or overcooked stir-fries doesn't do much. Eating tiny amounts. A few sprinkles of powdered ginger won't move the needle. You need enough active compounds to trigger results. Taking it at the wrong time. Eating ginger after heavy meals reduces its effectiveness. The magic happens when it's consumed before digestion begins. Pairing it poorly. Mixing ginger with too much sugar, like in ginger candies or soda, cancels out its benefits. So, if you've been guilty of these mistakes, don't worry, because now you'll learn exactly how to do it right. Segment 5. The right ways to eat ginger. Here are the best methods to eat ginger for both weight loss and inflammation relief. 1. Raw ginger chews morning detox. Cut a thin slice of fresh ginger. Sprinkle a pinch of lemon juice and a tiny bit of Himalayan salt. Chew it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This wakes up your digestion, kickstarts metabolism, and reduces morning inflammation. 2. Ginger tea, metabolism booster. Grate a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Boil it in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Add a dash of lemon juice, maybe a little honey if needed. Drink it mid-morning or mid-afternoon. It fights cravings and keeps metabolism active. 3. Ginger plus turmeric combo, inflammation relief. Mix grated ginger with turmeric and black pepper in warm water or golden milk. Turmeric plus ginger is a legendary combo for reducing inflammation and joint pain. 4. Ginger shots, fat-burning powerhouse. Blend ginger, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper. Take a shot before meals. This not only aids digestion, but also curbs appetite dramatically. 5. Powdered ginger, night soother. Add half a teaspoon of ginger powder into warm water or herbal tea before bed. Helps relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and improve sleep quality. Rule of thumb. Fresh ginger is more powerful for weight loss, while powdered or dried ginger is more effective for inflammation relief. Combining both throughout the day gives you the best of both worlds. Segment 6. How much ginger should you eat daily? Dosage matters. Too little won't give results. Too much can cause side effects. Experts recommend 2 to 4 grams of fresh ginger per day. That's about 1 to 2 inches of the root. 1 teaspoon of dried or powdered ginger per day. Always listen to your body. If you feel heartburn or stomach upset, reduce the amount. Pregnant women should also consult their doctor before high doses. Consistency is the secret. Don't expect overnight miracles. Daily ginger intake over weeks and months leads to noticeable fat loss and reduced inflammation. Segment 7. Quick ginger recipes for daily life. Here are some simple ways to include ginger every day without getting bored. Morning metabolism tea. Ginger, lemon, warm water. Anti-inflammatory smoothie. Ginger, pineapple, turmeric, and coconut water. Fat-burning soup. Add ginger and garlic to vegetable soup. Ginger salad dressing. Blend ginger with olive oil, lemon, and honey. Bedtime golden milk. Warm milk with ginger, turmeric, and black pepper. With these recipes, you'll not only lose weight, but also keep your body inflammation-free. Segment 8. Common FAQs. Let's quickly answer some FAQs. Can I eat ginger at night? Yes, it helps digestion and sleep. Is raw ginger better than powdered? Raw is better for metabolism, powdered for inflammation. How fast will I see results? Most people notice reduced bloating in a week, fat loss in 4 to 6 weeks, and inflammation relief within 2 to 3 weeks. Patience plus consistency equals results. Conclusion and call to action. So, here's the takeaway. If you want to lose weight naturally and find relief from chronic inflammation, learn to eat ginger the right way. Use it raw in the morning, sip it as tea during the day, and enjoy it in soothing recipes at night. The right dose, the right timing, and the right combinations make all the difference. So, start today. Make ginger your daily health ritual. Your metabolism, your joints, and even your skin will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more natural health secrets. Until next time, stay healthy, stay vibrant,